off any second now.
Yeah. Just watch.
Oh, please, come on. No, the seagulls are just trying to get it. Here's what they did to the other one. Here it is. Oh, I see more bubbles.
Did we scare him away?
Oh, I see more
We'll
bubbles.
see. We'll be
I see
patient.
bubbles coming up.
What? Oh my goodness! That is
Oh, man.
amazing!
Just.
Oh, look at that.
This is like a whale show. I think this
Oh, did you hear that sound? Shh, yeah, Mom, it sounded like a T-Rex.
Whoa, that's like a whale show. It is.
I'm never moving. This is better than moving. Save moving it for
It's
another
like Nat Geo.
I wish
Real.
moving it.
Save moving it for another.
I love this. When you can see their bodies again.
Look, watch
Here
the
comes
tail.
the tail.
Bodies.
Wow!
Yeah, hey, they're diving. They're going to do another bubble.
A whale called
Okay, they're diving.
Bardos.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is a show.
It is a show. This is very rare.
It is?
Look at him. He's going around.
Why is it
He's on his
waving?
back. He's on his back. He's on his
What?
back.
Why is it on his back?
I don't know.
He's waving at us.
Yeah.
Why can't we go
He
closer?
literally slapped his hand like this.
Why can't we go closer, Dad?
No, buddy. 100 yards.
What if their
at
next
that!
bubble was right
What?
here?
We are seeing girls.
Look at that fin.
Look at that.
He's waving.
That's so cool.
Dad, I think that's close enough.
This is epic.
Dive. See, that's the fin to the second.
Dad, that's enough.
See, look, his tail. Look at that.
This is epic. This is unusual.
Think about how awesome it would be, Dad.
It might be.
Oh, see, he slapped the water.
Yeah.
What did they do? It might be what, Dad?
I mean, man, I don't know. I really don't know.
They might
Oh,
be
I see a
what?
circle. I think they're going to do the thing again.
What were you thinking, Dad? Look. Two fins waving at us. Wait, that guy's on his back. What is that? What is he doing?
Oh,
You missed it?
oh my goodness.
Did you get it?
That is so cool.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah, I got it.
Wow! He
It's like
roared.
a dinosaur.
He just roared. Look, too late. It's on his back. Look, there's two of them. Three of them over the water. Just dived. Three just dived. I saw the
Oh
heads.
my goodness.
There's four at least.
It's that big.
Look, there's a tail coming up.
Cyrus, go swim over there.
I'll swim right in the middle of the circle.
Look, mouth.
Mouth.
Oh,
It's
my
open.
word. Crazy.
I'll swim right there. I'll swim right in the middle of the next bubble circle, Dad. And then get eat my whale. Eat the Jonah.
But are you sure it won't chew you up?
Whoa. Oh my goodness, that one's going diving. That one's diving.
Oh, diving. Look at it says cool when it dives.
Look, that one's gonna dive too.
Dive.
Look, that one's diving.
That one's gonna
They're
dive too.
diving. They're all diving. Dad, they're all diving.
That one just slow it down.
But we just slow
Oh,
down.
he's starting to slow down. They're going to do their... They think they're going to do it again.
They're not slapping the water yet.
Not just traveling, they're starting to maneuver.
What does that mean?
Instead of just going from one place to another, they're starting to
Look, they're
turn on their
they're slapping the
side
water.
and slap their fins and try to get all the
And
krill
diving like that.
grouped up. Yeah, they're gonna come up right there.
I see the circle. Hey, Mom, you better be recording.
Are you?
You zoomed in?
Let's go.
No! You want to miss that? Oh, you see that? Whoa.
Take your eyes off. They're gonna do it again.
I'm never blinking again. There's one over there.
It's an echo.
You said
It looks like a
your-
shark fin when it first comes up.
Dad, you said take your eyes off?
I said, don't take your eyes off.
See, they're slapping. Just wave at me.
Stop this. He's waving at us.
We're
Hi.
famous. Whoa. We're famous.
Why is this?
Do you hear that echo? Any second now.
Are they all gonna do that thing where they...
Any second. Then they do the dinosaur roar. I see door. I see this.
You know how cool it'd be if you could watch this from under the water?
You're asking for a lot.
Hi!
Hi.
You going back? Go back.
That's hilarious.
He just waved at us. Hi.
Oh, you hear it, right?
Imagine if the bubble circle went around us.
Yeah, when we were in the bubble circle, I saw it go like.
Yeah,
Oh, I can see a circle.
yeah, they're gonna come.
I said that 5 minutes ago.
You can see, you know, because the birds know.
And then when they come up, after they come up, they all dive in.
I think one of them stays at top. Look, he's upside down.
He's just hanging out.
And they're all like,
Waiting
come
for
on, get out of here, you're scaring the girl away. Okay, one more breath so I can dive.
Second.
Okay, I wonder. Let's group them up. And let's get ready to eat. Please. Hello to you
You see
too.
the barnacles on them?
I didn't see it.
They have barnacles. So
Growing on them?
speckles, Yeah.
Their head has plenty of them.
I can
When-
see a
when they come
distinctive
up-
circle.
When they come up, you'll see their head. Oh, I see the circle too. Bro, that one goes right on the edge of the ship.
So they must swim around in a circle over and over again, releasing the bubbles.
It's about to happen.
Dad, when will they all put
It's
their
about to happen.
See, right out
Thumbs up.
there.
Whoa! That's what I wanted to
Look at that!
You see that?
That's
All the
crazy!
circles dive in. All the birds dive in.
All the birds thought it was a huge fish.
No, the birds know that all the krill.
That was the dinosaur coming to get us.
Guys, we gotta go.
Tyrannosaurus Rex!
Yeah, we gotta go. We're gonna get caught in the dark. There's lots of logs in the water.
The echo.
That seagull just like echoed under.
The echoes are so cool.
They're so cool.
Take pictures too, Mom. Not just
I think
whale tail. Get one, Mom. Get the good whale tail. Oh, this one.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Where? Oh, I see him coming around.
Where?
The bubbles are going around here. He just turns his head or something. They're one by one going over there.
There they are. Look at them. Look at them. Circles.
Sorry, see big circle.
The birds are excited.
Whoa! Look at the big one.
Did you get a picture of that?
Yeah. Look at that
All right,
flat.
come on, kids. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Dad, tail. Give us your tail.
There's another one in the woods.
Whoa. What's that?
Big
There's
tail,
a
tail,
giant
tail.
one.
I totally think they record whale sounds and use them for Jurassic Park.